Welcome to the new Brave New World. The official opening of the hospital came complete with social distancing and a virtual presence from the man doing the honors, Prince Charles.
In this dark time, this place will be a shining light.
Work to transform the former exhibition center into a hospital of 500 critical care beds with an eventual capacity of 4,000 began just 9 days ago. The British government is eager to showcase the Nightingale after a drubbing in the media here for what critics have called a slow and confused response to the pandemic.
Emergency bell at the...
Here's the health secretary.
It is our absolute primary aim throughout this whole crisis to keep NHS capacity to deal with people who have the very serious conditions because of coronavirus.
But the British Medical Association is worried about how the new hospital will be staffed when numbers really start to peak, with talk of medical students close to graduation being called on.
What we call a baptism of fire as doctors in what is, for my generation, the most difficult work we have ever done, unless you've worked in a war zone.
Having previously dismissed concerns about a lack of testing for the virus, the government is also now pledging to conduct 100,000 a day by the end of April. The Prime Minister Boris Johnson, isolated with the coronavirus diagnosis, tweeted about it.
You'll have seen the big announcement yesterday about 100,000 tests.
That's 10 times the number of tests they're currently managing, and with previous targets missed, trust when it comes to the government is in short supply. Not so for the country's healthcare workers, though. A show of gratitude from a country in lockdown, now a weekly ritual. Margaret Evans, CBC News, London.